see, don't support this young guy Opare because he said he is not a Christian. He goes to Presbyterian church, but he's not a Christian. But he is serving a Freemason. He's a Freemason member. And apart from being a Freemason member, he served a certain evil spirit. Amity is devil. This amity is devil. Says devil that this guy is serving. So please, if you are a Christian, so you nyankopon ba Christiania, sakwe, now you don't entertain, don't listen to him. He is devil because this is the evil that he serve and worship, not God, not Jesus, not Holy Spirit. Timwamu tiemi or Ghana and beyond Ghana, and afar. Please, this man is not a worthy man to lead Ghana youth. This man is not very worthy man to lead Ghana. The president must change him immediately. President, please change this man immediately. Please, in the name of Jesus. And yes, Ghana so far. We are praying that your kingship and your ruling will become extra old. But this guy will destroy it. I am telling you, please, we shouldn't entertain this evil. We shouldn't. Because this is the God that he is serving. God of amity.
Amazing.
This God is the one that he said it. He said it, not me.
No.
So please, if you're a Christian, don't entertain this guy. Presbyterian Church and my senior man of God, my brother, Right Reverend Opare, please, in the name of Jesus, put your feet down concerning this man. Yes, I'll be good praise for him. This man can do it. When it is critical, when he is in need of a power, he will disgrace you and get the power. I'm telling you, it has happened. Not something like I'm trying to say something to paint in black. It has happened. Because of power here, we're good anymore. Say, now son no okono. How we ban so many so difficulties, no? Or see, in all difficulties and dangers, in whom to you, I'm asking this question to moderator. Say, in all difficulties and dangers, in whom do you place your trust? Me will say, moderator, if you can answer me, catch me, say, hey, this universe and this enmity, and I'll trust when we need Jesus, then I will agree with you. Me will say, the praise for more. Apart from you know, so say your trust in Christ Jesus, then or see when check a bend that any suntem do something. I rest my case. I rest my case on this issue. I rest my case.
Wow.